You've probably had this thought before. Mom and Dad's house is getting to be too much for them, but they don't want to move. And it's a tough conversation, and it's even tougher to know when the right time actually is. But there are clear signs that can tell you when it's time to start planning, and waiting too long can make things harder on everyone. Let's talk about some of those signs. First, physical challenges. Are they struggling with stairs, yard work, or even just keeping the house clean? Next, has the home itself become a financial burden? Rising maintenance costs, repairs piling up, and then there's safety, falls, misplaced medications, or just general forgetfulness that could put them at risk. I'm Sean Schroeder. I'm a certified seniors professional with Green Tree Real Estate. I help seniors and their families make smart, informed decisions about housing, downsizing, and estate planning. And like you, I'm a senior too. So I understand firsthand the challenges that come with this stage of life. The good news, you don't have to figure this out alone. I have trusted referral partners who specialize in downsizing. If you're starting to ask those questions about your parents or even yourself, reach out. Let's talk about the options available before it becomes an urgent situation. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button so more people can see this. Subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every week to help seniors and their families navigate the next chapter with confidence